Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the star-shaped gradient background on CapCut PC. So go to background and select any color that you want. I'm going to start with this orange one. You can also add it like on top of like a white background as well. And I'm also going to select the 1:1 frame ratio. Go to mask and select star, and I will just, adjust the scale of this real quick, and I will feather that out a little bit. Then I'm going to add in like this pink color. Maybe you can add in any color that you want. Then I'm going to add in the star shape again. You can scale it to any size that you want as well. I'm going to add a darker pink, and then I'm going to add in a star shape here, feather that out, and then I'm going to start adding in yellow, and the rest is totally up to you, but make sure you feather it a lot for everything. And there you go, you have this like really cool star-shaped gradient background. You can add more, of course, and you can add in like a text here. I'm just going to add this Barbie text that I made yesterday. And yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!